From tiny emblems to full car doors, the Turtle 3D scanner delivers precision at every scale with interchangeable S and M and L modules, onboarding processing, pause and resume flexibility, and complete control right from the Turtle control pad. No computer, no compromises. Guys, you know that the biggest problem is tracking. Usually when scanning large surfaces like this car door interior, it's really easy for scanners to get lost. But our Turtle control pad keeps tracking solidly, even when you switch positions. Now, let's take a look at a different scenario, scanning a smaller object like this car emblem. For this, I've swapped to the S module, which is optimized for fine details. When you scan on a turntable, the table itself often gets captured along with your object. But with the Turtle control pad, you don't need a computer to fix this. Right here on the control pad screen, you can manually delete any part of the scan that isn't relevant, like the turntable, leaving you with a clean, precise model of just the emblem. No extra software, no post-processing headaches.